Starting this lesson with the glorious name of Allah Almighty, who is the creator of whole universe. I welcome to you all in App 6 online support program. This lesson is prepared for class 2. The subject is English language. I am your teacher Miss Basra Shah. Today date is 16th of August 2021 and the day is Monday. Dear students, as you know that we have started our unit 1. The name of unit 1 is Look in a Book. And in this unit, we have started our lesson 2, Find Out More. The resource required for this lesson is activity book page number 6 and 7. And the introduction of this lesson is students to know about cover book and the things that we can see on a book cover. To know about author and title and do the activity on activity book. Dear students, first of all, I will do the recap of the previous learning. We have discussed about a book cover. Book cover contains title and the author's name. Title is a heading through which we can guess the book is about what. For example, if you can see the heading on a book is The Elves and the Shoemaker, it means that The Elves and the Shoemaker is the title of that book. Author is a person who writes a book. We have also discussed about fiction and non-fiction. Fiction books tell a story that is not real, okay? For example, we read scary books, we read funny books. These all books are fiction books, okay? We read stories about different animals. These are fiction books. Non-fiction books give real information. For example, we read recipe books, we read the books about our leaders, and we read history books. These all are non-fiction books. Dear students, now take out your activity book, page number 6 and 7. Open page 6 and 7. Today we will do the activity. This is lesson 2, Find Out More inside a book. Read the learning goal and do the activities, then circle your answer. Dear students, here is a question for you. I can talk about a book. Okay, the options are yes, sometimes, not yet. So your answer should be yes, because we have studied many things about the books. Question number 1 is titles and authors. Look at the book covers. Here you can see 4 book covers. Draw a circle round each title. Okay, you have to draw a circle round each title. Draw a line under the name of each author. Okay, you can also see the author's name here. So you have to draw a line under the name of each author. Okay. Number A is Snacks. This is title of this book. So you have to circle this book. Henry Wong is the author of this book. So you have to draw a line under this name. Silly Cats, this is title. Lisa Baker, this is author's name. The Snowy Day, this is title. Harriet Botha is a author's name. Look Out, this is title. And Jabari El-Sardi, this is author's name. Okay, so you have to circle round each title and draw a line under the name of each author. Number 2 is sorting books. Which books are fiction? Which books are non-fiction? We have discussed about fiction and non-fiction books. Which books are scary? Which books are funny? Scary books are those books which are very horrible, okay? And funny books are those books which books have lots of fun, lots of jokes, okay? Draw 2 lines from each book to a dot on a chart. Dear students, you have to draw 2 lines from each book, okay? Here you can see books and you have to draw 2 lines from each book to a dot on a chart. Here you can see the dots on a chart, okay? Number 1, snakes. Dear students, you can imagine that it's a story about snakes and it gives you information about snakes, okay? It gives you information about snakes. So this book will be non-fiction, okay? If it gives you real information about the snakes, then it will be non-fiction. So you have to draw the line from this book to the non-fiction dot. Okay, and it may be scary. Okay, it may be horrible. So you can draw also a line from this book to that point. Okay, number B is silly kids. Dear students, silly means the action that are not very fine, okay, not very clever. Silly kids. So it looks a fiction book, okay. It is a story about cats, so it looks a fiction book, and it may be funny book. So you have to draw a line from this book to that to this dot. The Snowy Day. It's a story about a snowy day. So it looks a fiction book and it looks a funny book. Okay, so you have to draw two lines. Look out, dear students. As you know that they too are running. Okay, with a terrifying face. So it looks, this is a scary book and this may be fiction book. Okay, so you have to draw two lines from each book to a dot on a chart. Number third is, which days do you go to school? Circle the days you go to school. Cross out the days you do not go to school. Monday, you go to school. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Dear students, you go to school all the day except Sunday. So you will cross out the Sunday and you will circle all the days. Question number 4 is, what do you do at school? Circle the things you do at school. Cross out the things you do not do at school. Read. Yes, you read at school. Sing. Yes, sometimes you sing poems at your school. Swim. No. You will cross out the swim. Paint. Yes, sometimes you paint. Sometimes you paint on your arts copy. Write. Yes, you write at your school. Play music. No. Play sports. Yes, you play sports in your sport period. Fly a kite. No. Okay, so you will cross out this activity. Question number 5 is, what subjects do you learn at school? Circle the subjects you learn at school. Cross out the subjects you do not learn at school. Maths, science, music, English. Okay, dear students, you read all the subjects, you learn all the subjects at your school, so you have to circle all the subjects. Okay, dear students, I hope you understood the whole topic and you will be able to do the activity on your activity book. Your homework is, write down the names of days of a week on your notebook. Dear students, your writing should be neat and clean. Okay, first of all, you will mention date and day on the top of the page. Then you will do this homework. Thank you so much.